In this video, we're excited to show you how to add subscription options to your online store. So, let's dive right in. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Settings on the left-hand side of the screen. Within the Settings section, click on Billing. Here, you'll find various options related to billing and subscriptions. Under the Subscriptions section, click on View All. To enable subscriptions, you'll need a subscription app from the Shopify App Store. Browse the App Store for subscription apps that best fit your needs, and install the one you prefer. Once the app is installed, follow its instructions to set up your subscription settings. This typically includes choosing subscription products, setting pricing tiers, and defining billing intervals. Before going live, test the subscription process thoroughly to ensure everything works smoothly. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel.